In 2026, the middleweight sport touring segment is no longer a simple game of numbers. It's a battlefield of philosophies. Nowhere is that clearer than in the face-off between Suzuki's all-new SV7GX, a crossover born from the bones of the SV650, and Triumph's Tiger Sport 800 Tour, a touring-ready triple designed precisely for long-distance riders who want everything straight out of the box. Both promise versatility and comfort, but their approaches could not be further apart. One leans on simplicity and accessibility, the other on spec sheet dominance and premium touring equipment. The Suzuki SV7GX debuted at the 2025 Milan Motorcycle Show as one of the most talked about machines. Not because it was the most powerful, nor the most technologically advanced, but because Suzuki dared to create something deliberately unconventional. With a hybrid roadster, trail design, wind tunnel-tested fairing, and a familiar but heavily refined 645 cubic centimeters V-twin producing 72.4 horsepower and 47.2 pounds-feet of torque, the SV7GX aims at riders who want an approachable do-it-all machine. Upright ergonomics with subtle forward bias, a reworked airbox for better high RPM breathing, and new electronics such as 3 ride modes, traction control, and a bi-directional quickshifter elevate the platform far beyond the aging SV650 it replaces. By contrast, the Tiger Sport 800 Tour builds upon a foundation already praised by reviewers. The agile, lively, and comfortable Tiger Sport 800. The Tour model isn't reinventing the wheel. It's solving a complaint riders have had from day one. Instead of forcing customers into Triumph's accessory catalog, Triumph now bundles everything. Center stand, heated grips, handguards, dual comfort seat, tire pressure monitoring system, and fully matched 57-liter panniers and 49-liter top case. With acclaimed 113 horsepower triple, lean-sensitive rider aids, and premium Showa suspension, the Tiger Sport 800 Tour arrives as a turnkey touring platform with zero compromises. What becomes immediately clear is that power is the first major dividing line. Suzuki's V-twin has character and proven reliability, but its 72 horsepower output is dwarfed by the Triumph's 113 horsepower, which sits at the top of the segment. Triumph also offers 62 pounds-feet of torque, roughly 30% more than Suzuki. The Tiger Sport 800 Tour is simply the more muscular machine, better suited for two-up touring, high-speed cruising, and mountain pass aggression. Suzuki instead bets on manageability and efficiency, not overwhelming performance. Chassis philosophy follows a similar divergence. The SV7GX uses a modified SV650 tubular trellis frame with basic 41mm telescopic forks and axial mount brake calipers. This configuration keeps costs low but lacks the dynamic precision of Triumph's Showa adjustable SFF forks and radial mount calipers. Suzuki prioritizes comfort, accessibility, and weight distribution rather than apex hunting sharpness. Triumph's setup, meanwhile, positions the Tiger Sport 800 Tour as the far more premium performer. Its suspension travel and tunability alone put it closer to sport touring royalty. In terms of electronics, both machines offer ride-by-wire, 3 ride modes, traction control, ABS, quickshifters, and TFT screens. But Triumph goes a step further with lean-sensitive ABS and traction control, something Suzuki does not offer. Triumph clearly wants the Tour model to appeal to riders who expect big bike safety systems in a middleweight package. Suzuki's electronics, on the other hand, are focused more on everyday usability, including the clever low RPM assist, to make the bike friendly to newer or returning riders. Touring capability is where this comparison almost feels unfair. Suzuki gives the SV7GX a luggage rack, handguards, adjustable half-screen, comfortable ergonomics, and a 17.4-liter tank. Solid, but modest. Triumph responds with a fully outfitted long-distance ecosystem straight from the factory, including hard luggage, better seat padding, improved wind protection, heated grips, tire pressure monitoring system, a center stand, and higher overall comfort. Where Suzuki expects the rider to add accessories over time, Triumph sells the full solution at once. Weight introduces another interesting contrast. The Suzuki tips the scales at 465 pounds, significantly lighter than the Triumph's 511 pounds curb weight. This 46-pound advantage gives the SV7GX an edge in low-speed maneuverability, commuting ease, and daily practicality. Triumph's added touring hardware inevitably increases mass, making it less ideal for new riders or those who prioritize agility over amenities. Lightweight simplicity remains Suzuki's ace card. Ultimately, these two motorcycles are not direct rivals in performance or touring equipment, but they compete for the same type of buyer. Someone seeking a versatile middleweight sport tourer. The Triumph Tiger Sport 800 Tour is the premium choice. Expensive but fully loaded, powerful but sophisticated. The Suzuki SV7GX is the pragmatic choice, economical, approachable, and refreshingly honest about what it aims to be. One is a high-performance touring machine with every luxury included. The other is a carefully balanced crossover designed to be ridden every day, by anyone, anywhere.